Cleaning, the art of reluctantly transforming chaos into temporary order. So, let's get started. My past week hasn't been much fun. I've been doing laundry, I've been cleaning, I've been dusting, I've been vacuuming, I've been cooking. That's been my past week. My past 2 weeks, honestly. So here you're met with the aftermath of that, or the during of that, is me filming everything that I'm doing. But no talking, because I want to try something out. I want to do the voiceover. I want to see if you guys like it. So here we are, me doing my laundry, me putting it away, which seems like the most needless task ever, right? Don't want to do it, don't ever want to do it, don't want to keep doing it, but, you know, that's life. Let's talk in depth about my past week. July 4th. July 4th was awesome. I saw fireworks, I hung out with some friends. It was great. Red, white, and blue, pool, fireworks. That screams America to me. I hope you all had a great 4th of July. Hope you celebrated, hope it was fun and light and cheerful. The next day is my birthday, July 5th. July 5th, my birthday. It was a good time. I went into the city meaning New York. And it was hot. It was hot as balls, which it was brave to go into the city and not have a place to go and relax, but it was nice. I had a good time. I went to a comedy club. I went and got Greek food and just walked and shopped around. It was a good birthday. And I'm now 20 years old, which is weird to say. It's weird, but I didn't spend the last of my teenage years doing something incredibly fun. I was cleaning. I think America has weird ideals about age. At 18, you're considered an adult. You can be tried as an adult. You can vote. But at 21, you're allowed to drink. You're allowed to buy cigarettes. Why not just allow me to be an adult all at once? Why limit my access until I turn 21? Then I can do other certain things. Because now that I'm 20, I'm thinking, well, I only have one more year until I can legally drink. It's weird. The age thing is weird. I know it's about Prohibition and John F. Kennedy. Let me look more into it, but I think America needs to reconsider this, because now I'm 20, I'm in another waiting period, like purgatory. I just don't understand it. Something else I wanted to talk about is the weather. The weather has not been giving summer to me. It doesn't feel very summerlicious outside, and I'm getting quite scared. It's July. It's July, and I'm not at my peak tan. I haven't been outside a lot because it's been thunderstorming or it's been bad air quality, and it's just been the fight between those two things. And you can't really be outside when it's storming, and you can't be outside when the air quality sucks. I don't want to be outside in that. So the next sunny day, pray there is one, I'm going to be outside. I need to get my summer on. It doesn't feel like summer, but you know, you gotta do with what you have. I recently went to the flea market, and I think in the past summers, past years, I've neglected how much jewelry can spunk up an outfit. It really can. You can take your outfit from a 5 to at least a solid 8 with sunglasses, with jewelry, with a cute pair of sandals, with a cute hat, whatever. Accessorizing is the way to go, especially I've seen that with summer, because you lose the layers, it's so hot, you're wearing the bare minimum. Accessories is your best friend, so that's what I've been into this summer. I have been cooking up in the kitchen. Recently, I just made this chicken Alfredo with bacon. Come on, how Italian of me! I made it on 4th of July, too. It was delightful. It was lovely. I loved it so much. It's such an easy meal to make. Get yourself some thick pasta, that's my favorite. Get yourself some chicken, some bacon, cut it up. Put it in the pan, sizzle it up a little bit. 20-30 minutes go by. Make sure you put the pasta on. Make sure the pasta is done. Take bites of it. You got chicken Alfredo. It is a wonderful meal. I made so much of it, so I can meal prep. I put it in the fridge. I made this last week, and I'm still eating it this week. It takes that long to get done with it. It's really, really the best meal ever. High carbs, high protein. I could run a marathon after eating this. Cooking has been one of my New Year's resolutions, was to cook more, and I think I've definitely took upon the challenge because I've been cooking a lot and I love it. I love cooking. Call me a cook. I am a chef. This meal was so good, and I hope this food montage is really showing you the cook that I am. I think we should all be cooks together, so enjoy your food. That's a wrap on this productive day of cleaning. I really should say week because all of these clips were from the past week or week and a half. However, I hope this video motivated you to get up and clean your space. It's always better to operate in a clean space, one that makes you safe and happy and content and feeling good. So clean your room if it's dirty, alright? It's not too hard. Do your laundry. Vacuum. You'll feel better afterwards, okay? Okay? I don't have much more to say. I hope you all have an amazing week. I will catch you guys later. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you like this form of video because I can and will make more. Alright? I'll see you guys on the flippity flip. Bye!